and welcome to today's class. Today our topic is, sovereignty. Sovereignty is one of the concepts of government, and I believe, listen attentively, by the end of this class, you will be able to know the meaning of sovereignty and the principal features of sovereignty. So here we go. Sovereignty, this can be said to mean the supreme power, authority of state over its citizens. The what? Supreme power and authority of what? State over what? Its citizens. Is the power of the state exercised by a body of persons known as what? Sovereign. To make and enforce law with all the means of coercion is cares to employ without what? Interference by other states. Sovereignty simply means the power endowed on the what? Independent state to make law and enforce such same law on its people without what they call external or foreign interference or intervention. When a state carries sovereignty, of course it can what? Control its citizens what? By doing what? By making laws, that what? Control the affairs of that state. It doesn't mean that there can be a state without sovereignty. Yes, there can be a state without sovereignty. Without sovereignty, it doesn't mean that state cannot make laws on its own. Such states may what? Depend on external control for it to rule its citizens. But when a state has a sovereign state or has sovereignty, it means that it has that what? Ability and capacity on its own to make and enforce that same law on its citizens without foreign interference. By foreign interference, we mean the external government or the external state coming to tell them what to do and what not to do. They also have the power to do what? To spell out the sanction that is accrued to defending such a law. By sanction means the means of coercion. That means, when you offend the law, there are certain words, punishments that you are meant to do what? To receive having defaulted the law. So the government, that have a sovereign has the power to make the laws, then stipulate and tell you what to do and what not to do. And when you go to that way around, by doing what they say that you should not do, of course you have defaulted the law, and they have the legal right to do what? To punish you according to the laid down rules and regulations. Okay, so now we are going to look at the principal features of sovereignty. The number one here is indivisibility. It means that sovereignty is all-encompassing. It cannot be divided. It carries the whole state along. It goes on to carry, entail or go along with everything that is happening in that state. Okay, the number two here we have absoluteness. It has no limitations. Sovereignty has no what? Limitations. You can't say that you can do this one and cannot do this one. A sovereign nation has the power to decide both home and abroad. They decide all they want to do, when they want to do it, and how they want to do it. Okay, the number three here we have is permanence. Permanence will mean that sovereignty is remains there forever. It cannot change. It remains there from day one till when the world will vanish. Are you with me? So the permanence is one of the principal features of sovereignty. The number four here we have what they call independence of foreign control. A sovereign nation cannot be controlled by external states. A sovereign nation has the power to make laws of its own, decide from their norms, from the established norms and all that, what it wants from its citizens. And the foreign nations, the external states, has no power to come and ask them, why are you doing this and why are you not doing this? So by this, independence of foreign control is one of the principal features. Then this one here is comprehensiveness. By this we mean that a sovereign nation, encompasses all and it's comprehensive in what? In nature, it's comprehensive in nature in the sense that it carries and covers all that has to do with that state. Just like we outlined earlier, where we say that is indivisibility. We mean that it cannot be divided. It can't be divided, it has to carry it along. The state have the power to determine all that happens in that state without what? Limitations. Okay, I think here is where we are going to stop for now. Please, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please make sure you subscribe. Alright, see you next time. Thank you.